so-called quote-unquote Muslims trying to be moderate, trying to be civil, and they imitate the disbelievers in everything they do, to the extent that you may find someone's name's Abdullah or Muhammad or Abdurrahman, Muslim, having a Christmas tree in his house. Duh. You may find Muslims gathering their family on New Year's Eve and celebrating. You might find couples or families doing the countdown, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, for midnight. A'udhu billah. What else is left? Hang a cross? Maybe? I don't know. So definitely, my own personal view is a Muslim should prevent his family, himself, from admiring such rituals that would soften his heart and probably introduce elements of hypocrisy without him knowing it, creeping into his heart little by little until he starts to question Islamic values, until he starts to wonder, why don't we have similar things like they do? Look at our Sheikh. When he comes on the Friday sermon, he has a long beard and he's wearing his Islamic dress, and he shouts on the pulpit, the day of judgment, and you will all go to hell. This is what they say. But when we go to a church and we see the preacher wearing a 2 or 3-piece suit with a tie and clean shaven, he looks nice, and all the colored windows and all these clean places, and the man playing the organ, and they chant and dance. This is cool, man. Unlike what our Muslim imams are doing. Subhanallah. Look at the hypocrisy. This is what we are inserting in our children's hearts without us knowing it. And this is what a Muslim must be really careful of. We have to build our Islamic identity. Sheikh, give me a break. My Islamic identity is going to be affected by watching the fireworks? It might be. Better safe than sorry. But as I said, it's an issue of dispute. Some would say it's okay. Me personally, I would never ever go or be seen in a place where people just go by the lake and look, let alone pay